And thank you so much for watching my videos. Now today is Wednesday and we are getting down to the wire to Valentine's Day, and I wanted to show you guys some easy, inexpensive DIY smaller gifts that I am giving out to my coworkers, their children, and the work bestie. That gift right there is going to be for her cousin who they are going out for Valentine's Day. I wanted to make sure she got something because she is single as well. Now don't forget, I am having a 15,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. That is right there. It is going on now. It's a box full of amazing items, so you definitely want to click on that and enter to win. That'll be at the end of the video and also in the description box, so don't forget to click on that and enter to win. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, She Coupons for Charity. So let's go ahead and get started with these gifts. I'm going to show you guys how I put them together and how I'm going to shrink wrap them. So let's go ahead and get started. Valentine's Day gifts, I'm trying to get them together. I am working on my bestie's gift so far. I have This Struggle Is Real. I got this at Walmart for her. She says this a lot, so I thought that would be really cute to add in her little bucket here. I'm going to add some candy. I'm going to add this cup right here from the Dollar Tree. It says You Stole My Heart. I'm going to add a lip balm from the 99-cent only store. I'm also going to add this single AF, you know what that means, hashtag, because she is single and she is my Valentine since she doesn't have a boyfriend or a husband. So I thought that'd be really cute. And then it says, hi friend, besties. I thought she'd like that. She'd get a kick out of that. I had gotten her this, and this is for her personal summers, as we like to call them. She can put this on her phone, and it's like a fan. It works really well. I got that at the 99-cent only store. I also have here a red pillow I'm going to add. And inside the cup, I have some Hershey's Kisses that I purchased from CVS. I think 2 weeks ago on when they were giving back extra care bucks, so I got them really cheap. I think I got them for free. I have that for her, and I think that's it. So I'm gonna place everything and show you guys what it looks like. All I'm doing is adding some newspaper at the bottom to give it a filler, and then I'm gonna start placing my items. Natasha's BFF candle that I give her every single year, so I put that in there, and then the Lindora is back there. Inside of this mug is full of Hershey's Kisses. And yeah, I think it came out really good. Her shirt is back here, and then her little sequence Valentine pillow from the Dollar Tree, and then her little keychain, which she's going to get a kick out of. Now, I'm going to tape this because when I shrink wrap it, I think it'll just hold better. So I'm going to tape it at the bottom. Now, I'm making other gifts too. I'm making smaller gifts. I have one guard who is a supervisor, but she's really, really sweet. She has a son, so I'm going to make him a gift. I'm going to make her a smaller gift. This is for the bestie, and then I'm going to make her a smaller gift because I really like her. She's a very, very nice lady. So I'm going to show you what I make. I'm making her and her son, and then I'll show you guys what I'm making a little Miss Naya. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm giving the guard at my job. I'm keeping it really simple, just a really small, just a happy Valentine's Day gift. I got this at the Dollar Tree. I purchased this one and the golden red one at the Dollar Tree if you saw my haul. So I'm going to use this. I'm also going to use a Dollar Tree candle. I'm going to use a Dollar Tree notepad, and then a 99-cent only store face mask. And I found these at the 99-cent only store. These are the Quirky Power Curl cord wrap. So I know she has an iPhone, and I thought, well, this might come in handy for her to put in her handbag. And of course, a lip balm lip smacker. And then I'm going to add, of course, some Hershey's Kisses, if I can find the bag that I just showed you guys. If I could find, oh, here they are. I'm going to add some Hershey's Kisses in the tin as well. So let me put this together and I'll show you guys how it looks. This is her gift. I think it came out really cute. I'm going to shrink wrap that. I'm also going to give her the lids because the lids don't. I got this tin from the 99-cent only store after Christmas. Does not ring Christmas to me. These were only 25 cents. So I purchased 2 of them. And I've got something for her son as well. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. For her son, everything is pretty much from the 99-cent only store. I have one coupon item, which was the trolley candy. I got those at Walgreens when they were a freebie. So I picked those up. I'm going to use those. And then I have some, what are these? These are the scented doughs. I have some I don't know if I should put this, like lip balm, but I figure everybody uses lip balm. These are the Finding Dory. And then I have some of these because kids love these. These are the Splat Balls, and I got these at the 99-cent only store for 99 cents. They retail for $1.99 at Party City, so really great deal on that. You're getting like half off. So I'm gonna put all that in this little tin for him, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. That is her son's gift. I think it came out really cute. I think he's really going to enjoy it. He's not expecting anything from me, but she does have a son, and I like to make sure kids are always taken care of for Valentine's Day. So I made that for him, that for her, that for Miss Natasha, and now we're going to work on her daughter's gift, Naya. If you saw my Dollar Tree haul, you know I hauled this for her. And I hauled these pom-poms that were available at Dollar Tree. Also, this pom-pom keychain that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add this unicorn bubble maker, Magic Bubbles. And then I have here from my Walmart haul a Squeeze-A-Mole. I also have this Spider Bubbly. It looks pretty cool. You like squeeze it. So I know she'll like that. I got that for her. I also have here 2 unicorn lollipops, which I think she'll absolutely love. So there's 2 of them for her. Her mom's going to kill me for putting 2, but I'm putting 2. So I'm going to place everything in here. I hope it's not too much. I might have to take some stuff out, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So Miss Naya's gift looks a little all over the place, but I think it came out super cute. I think she's really going to enjoy it. I did stuff some Hershey Kisses in here because I had like a little empty spot. But all in all, I think she's going to love it. And then I also added this little lip gloss set that I got at the Dollar Tree a while ago. So I wanted to definitely add that because she likes lip gloss and stuff like that. It's very girly, very pom-pommy. So I think she's really going to like that. And then on Valentine's Day, Natasha and Naya are going to go to CPK, California Pizza Kitchen. And they're going with their cousin, who is a total Marilyn Monroe fanatic. Her room's Marilyn Monroe. So I decided to make her something small because she is single as well. So I have here a Marilyn Monroe diary with lock and key. It says, "Be your own kind of beautiful." I got this at the 99-cent only store. You guys know I got this at Walgreens at 90% off, so it was like 50 cents. So I'm going to put that in there because it kind of goes with the color scheme. I have here a You Are Sweet body butter. I got this at clearance at Walgreens as well. I think it was like 10 or 20 cents. And then these notebooks I just hauled from the 99-cent only store. It says, "I'm just a girl who wishes for the world." I think she's really going to like it. She's going to be surprised because she isn't expecting anything. She doesn't have a boyfriend. And I thought, well, this would be something really nice for Natasha to give to her for Valentine's Day. And it didn't cost me hardly anything, like less than $3 for the gift. I'm not going to shrink wrap that. I think I'm just going to put it in a little red Christmas bag that I have, just like an all red Christmas bag. And I think she's really going to enjoy it. So let me go ahead and shrink wrap these, and I'll show you guys what they look like shrink wrapped. Now, a little nervous to do that one because I think the pom-poms might squeeze in, but we'll see. We'll see how it all comes out. But all in all, guys, I think these gifts came out really, really nice, and I think they're going to enjoy them. They did not cost me that much. I think the most expensive one is probably Natasha's because of the shirt, but everything else is basically either from the 99-cent only store or from the Dollar Tree or couponed. So really, really great deals, clearance finds, all that. So if you're on a budget, definitely, and you have a 99-cent or a Dollar Tree, it's a definite way to make a very inexpensive gift, but they look super nice. Like, I think they're going to be pleasantly surprised. I think they're really going to like it. So let me go ahead and shrink wrap these, and I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay, guys, so these are the finished products. Naya's was a little hard to shrink wrap because it's such an oddly shaped box. So next time I know, get a regular square box because that heart was so hard to shrink wrap. That is for Natasha's cousin. I just used a Christmas pink and gold bag, and then I added red tissue. I looked everywhere for white and I gave up. So that's her gift. And then that's Naya's. I think it came out okay. I wish I would have gotten a square box. I probably would have made it a little bit more better. I think Natasha's came out really good. My guard and her son, Jojo, that's his gift and that's her gift. All in all, guys, I think these are some really nice Valentine's Day gifts for them. really inexpensive for me. I hope they enjoy it and have a happy Valentine's Day. Now, I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed day. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And remember, if you like these videos, please remember to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Don't forget to enter that 15K giveaway and follow me on Instagram at SheCoupons4Charity. And I will be talking to you guys real soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!